In this, we will see how to use a Windows machine to browse to the applications that are running in this virtual machine. So if you do a status, so there are a bunch of applications that are running. So if you want to browse to these applications from a Windows machine, you need to get the IP address of this machine. So let's grab the IP address of this virtual machine, which in this case is the one ending with .50.155. So let's go to our Windows 7 machine. And one thing you need to be careful or pay attention is both the systems should be on the same network. So this Windows machines happen to be on the same network as the other virtual machine where the applications are running. So let's do a ping to verify that. So we are successfully pinging the other machine. So let's open a browser. And try to go to one of the applications that are running there. So let's open the default browser, which is Iceweasel. And let's grab a URL for the JSPMyAdmin. So when you paste it there, all you have to do is change the IP address of the remote machine, which is the .50.155. So I used a proxy before, so that's why it's complaining. So let's go and remove the proxy settings from the browser. And now I believe it should work. Yes. And let's try to go to another web application. And so this is the custom application and it just ends with WAED. So if you just type in WAED at the end, we should be able to see the default applications. So hopefully now you can see how to use a Windows machine to pen test web applications that are running on the other virtual machine. Thanks everyone for your time.